So, the Pixel 10 series is heating up, and not just because it's Google's next flagship drop. This time, the spotlight isn't and only on the regular Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro. No, it's what's folding that's stealing the show. Meet the upcoming Pixel 10 Pro Fold, Google's sleekest, smartest, and boldest foldable yet. And guess what? A fresh leak just gave us a juicy sneak peek, not of the hardware, but something that always hints at how polished the final product will be. The official wallpapers. Yep, Google's folding beast just had its wallpaper set leaked, and it's got everyone talking. The leak comes from none other than the popular tipster Mystic Leaks, who posted on their Telegram channel showcasing the first ever look at what appear to be the default wallpapers for the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. We're talking static and live wallpapers, optimized for both light and dark modes, clearly tailored for the foldable experience. So far, the leaked collection includes two main color options, green and sterling, both with matching dark mode variants. That's not all, since the device folds. The wallpapers are available in both portrait and landscape formats, adding a layer of visual fluidity no regular phone can match. These aren't just placeholders either, they look like finalized assets, possibly straight from Google's own internal builds. And you can bet more styles will be unveiled by the time the phone officially launches, which, by the way, is expected to happen this August alongside the rest of the Pixel 10 family. But it's not just aesthetics that are raising eyebrows. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is shaping up to be a major refinement over last year's Fold. According to previous leaks, this next-gen foldable is going thinner, tougher, and smarter. It's rumored to feature a slimmer hinge, which will make the cover display slightly larger, moving from 6.3 inches to 6.4 inches. That's a subtle but welcome bump for usability. And here's the real kicker. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold could be the first foldable phone in the world with an IP68 rating, meaning it might finally crack the code on both water and dust resistance. That's a game changer, especially for anyone who's ever babysat their foldable in fear of dust ruining the hinge. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 10 Pro Fold? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.